Dear Diary, I just don't get that cat! He came by after school today. I found him in the kitchen, talking to my mother over a glass of milk. Who does that? And why my house? Mom loved it. She asked him question after question, and, despite already being his partner, I learned quite a bit about him. He didn't tell her anything too classified? I don't know what to call it. He didn't tell her anything about me, and by me I mean Ladybug, and he didn't talk about his Kwame at all, even when she asked about his powers. It was just regular stuff, you know? It turns out the cat prefers ice cream to frozen yogurt. Go figure. And doesn't think Starbucks is excessive. Does he not realize how much it costs? But you can't trust a guy who likes pineapple on his pizza anyway, so... Afterward, we went up to my room and just talked. It was weird, but nice. I'm starting to feel like he doesn't have anyone he can actually open up to, you know? It's almost as though he really is a stray after all. I'm curious to see if he'll come tomorrow. Third time's a charm, after all. Marinette.